Gago nyinga Milton Ochieng Awuor. Migao mar Thieth olando golo omenda maromo $965 ne lakteche mapuonjore kata interns chudo ma gibiro bedo ka giyudo mag mbalang' ma dwe ka dwe. Jatend migao mar Thieth Debra Baraza odok ne ywak mag lakteche kaachiel kod mago machiwo hocho kowacho ni dwachgi no ibiro chop kare kaka gidwaro. Ma koro biro mana bang' ndalo matin tok riwruok mar lakteche KMPDU lando chako ng'anyo e pacho ka mangima chakre dwe manyien ka giseyo piny owacho kuom koso chopo winjruok maende ne gikete kokgi.
The Ministry of Health is pleased to announce the successful payment of monthly stipends and accrued arrears to nursing officers interns, clinical officer interns, medical officer interns, and pharmacist interns. This marks a significant milestone in our commitment to support healthcare professionals at the foundation of their career while strengthening Kenya's healthcare system. A total of 965,875,345.60 Kenya shillings has been disbursed to interns in the following cadre: 826 medical officer interns with degrees, 274 pharmacist interns with degrees, 71 dentist interns with degrees, 140 clinical officer interns with degrees, 1,185 nursing officer interns with degrees, and 1,251 clinical officer interns with diplomas. The amount comprises 528,615,125.60 Kenya shillings in arrears payment and 110,668,070 Kenya shillings in regular payment for nursing and clinical officer interns. A further payment of 326,592,150 Kenya shillings has been made as arrears and regular payment for medical officer interns, dental officer interns, and pharmacist interns. This payment ensures that all posted interns in their specified cadres receive their dues without delay, demonstrating the ministry's dedication to addressing the welfare of